What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to erase part of an image in Canva PC. So the first thing that we need to do is to bring our image to the blank, like so. I got a picture of a hamburger. Then what we want to do is to select it and go to edit, then to brush. And now, for example, let's delete this pickle. To do that, you have to use the brush and select the pickle, like so. Then what we want to do is to use the magic eraser. So let's let Canva do the magic. As you can see, now the pickle is removed. Now let's try to remove another item. For example, the tomato. We're gonna do the same and we're gonna use the brush again, but this time we'll be more careful. After we select it, all we have to do is to apply the magic eraser. As you can see again, the tomato was removed. So guys, this was a tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.